let's say that we have a structure. The name of the structure is student. And we have structure members, integer midterm, and integer final. So you already know this, how to declare structure. After I declare my structure, what I am doing, I'm saying that struct student S1. So what happens? I declared a structure and now I declare a structure variable. So S1 will be created in the memory. Let's say that this is our memory. We have addresses. And what happens here? The compiler reserves some locations for S1. And let's say that it reserved these locations. Why two locations? Because we have two members. This one for midterm. Sorry. This one for midterm, this for final, and these two are for S1. Okay? Okay. This is for a single student. I mean, we have single student, one student. So I can declare one structure variable. I can use one structure variable for one student. If I have 1,000 students, what will happen? Do I need to declare 1,000 structure variables? No. So what happens? We are using arrays of structure. How we are declaring an array? How we are declaring an array? We are saying integer A, and we have 1,000 elements. So this is a regular array. The name of the array is 1,000. We have 1,000. So the name of the array is A, and we have 1,000 elements in this array, and every element is integer type. What I am doing here, if I want to declare an array with my structure, instead of integer, I am saying struct student. So when I say this, I will have an array A with 1,000 elements, but every element will be in this type, student type. What is student type? Midterm and final. So you will have A, this is not S1, let's say, this is A0. A0 is here, and we have midterm and final for A0. Then the next two locations will be midterm and final, but for A1. Then the next two will be for A2, and it will continue until A999, because we have 1,000 elements in the array. Okay? And we can say that one of the most common combinations of arrays and structure is an array which its elements are structures. And this is the way how you can declare an array of structure. Okay, how I can access any let's say data or value in the array? You just need to say A and which index. Let's say that I want to know midterm of, let's say, second student. So 0, 1. This will be 1. Dot, I want to access midterm, so I can access midterm. If you say this is 80, the second student's midterm will be 80. Okay? This is the way how you can access any member of any array element. This is the idea.